Alright, so today we're going to a new chapter called the properties of circle. So there are a few properties that we need to know when we are doing the properties of circle. Okay, so the first property is called the angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. So this is the relationship, okay, between the angle, the both of the angle. So if you look at the first diagram, right, we have an angle A here. And this angle A touches the circumference of the circle, and there's an angle at 2A at the center. Okay, so they have a relationship. So the relationship is that the angle at the center, right, is 2 times the angle at the circumference, right? Okay, so the second diagram, okay, same thing. We have an angle at the circumference and angle at the center. So same thing is 2 times. Okay, so the third diagram is a bit different already. So there's an angle A at the circumference. So it always touch the circumference, and there is an angle at the center. But just take note of this angle. The angle is not this angle. Okay, the angle is actually the reflex angle right here. Okay, so for this case, the third case, right, you need to be more careful, because a lot of students, they will say, hey, this angle will be 2A, which is wrong. Okay, so the angle at the center is actually the reflex angle right there. Okay, then the fourth diagram, same thing. Angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. Alright, okay, so let's take a look at the example right here. So if you look at this example, so the angle at the at the circumference is 40. So what is the angle at the center? So angle at center is just 80 degree. And of course, 80 degree, writing 80 degree is not enough. You need to write down the so-called the reason. It's something like the congruency and similarity. You need to prove that, why are the two triangles similar? Right, so you must write angle at the center equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Okay, so let's try exercise 1. Let me just go through exercise 1A. Okay, so 1A, we are given the angle at the center, right, is 126. What about the angle x? The angle x is, is the angle at the circumference. Right, so the angle angle x will be 126 degree divided by 2. So it's roughly 63 degree. And of course, you must write angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Right? Okay, then for exercise 1B, same thing, angle at center 60, right? So this angle will be 30 degree. Okay, then okay, for the 1C is a bit tricky. Remember, right, 1C looks like the third diagram right here. So you need to determine what is exactly the angle at the center. So the angle at the center is not 110. It's actually this angle right here. Okay, the red color, the red color angle right here. So 360 minus 110 is roughly 250 degree. Okay, then after that, angle x is just 250 divided by 2, right, is 125 degree. Okay, then same thing, you just write the reasoning. Okay, angle at the center equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Alright.